Morning guys, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 2. It's another good morning, another great day. It's currently like 7 in the morning. We just woke up at 7 in the morning. And when you have a baby, the time you wake up is not like up to you. It is your childhood. It dictates what time you wake up. Like sometimes he wakes up at 5 and I have to wake up by 5. And by have it means that he will pull my hair, he will scratch me, he will do everything possible to make sure that I'm awake. So nowadays we just at least he tries and wakes up by 6:50, and then we do the morning routine where I change him, put him in different clothes, shoes, a warmer sweater and all that, and then we come out, and then at least when we're outside he plays and he does not disturb me as much. Anyway, today's schedule is not really okay, it's busy, but like I'm not going anywhere. It's busy in the sense that I'm just staying at home, but I'll be doing laundry. Yeah, just doing laundry, and then what other chores do I have? Oh, just fetching water, but I'll definitely show you guys that. So right now I'm waiting on breakfast, and then we'll get started.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and...
So today is laundry day. It's Monday. I normally do laundry on Monday. Yeah, so let me start by the usual process of sorting them out.
Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. Then lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to fight, goodbye. Shine a light I can see.
For lunch we had pumpkin and ugali. As you can see, it was mashed pumpkin. Anyway guys, that was all for today's vlog. Please like the video, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Until tomorrow, see you guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.